right, everyone, welcome back. Today we're going to talk about PocketManager 1.0. So for those that don't know, PocketManager is actually my first Notion template slash product, and I created this out of my own necessity, not only for myself and my career, but the people that I work with, the artists that I work with. And the common theme that I would find is that all of us had files in Dropbox, notes in Google Drive, and a whole bunch of other stuff that gets lost in WhatsApp group chats and iMessage. So, and the other thing is I found that when I needed access to some of this information, files, documents, when it came time to find it quickly, I couldn't. And I found it ridiculous to have to spend 5, 10, 15 minutes on a logo or like an EPK or a bio, just basic things that should just already have a home. So that's where PocketManager comes in. I have it in the one column view here because this is the same PocketManager, but this is within the context of Primo. Primo is a Canadian Latin artist, and this is the one that I set up for him. At the very top, we have the quick links, things that I think are always quicker access to. The music release here is actually a table outlining the releases that we want to do for this year. What else do we have here? We got metrics. In the metrics one, we have the different social media platforms and the followers or subscribers. Again, this would make it super easy for us to then go back and take a look. Are we growing? Are we losing followers? Are we gaining followers? We have sections for marketing plans, asset lists. So whenever you have a release, whether it's a single, a project, this list can serve as, do we have the cover? Do we have the social media posts that we're going to do? Are we going to do any pre-release? Are we going to do anything post-release? All of that can be turned into a checklist on here. Well, it is a checklist. What else do we have here? Accounting. Accounting is important. This allows you to create budgets. It could be marketing budgets. It could be music production if you're going to the studio, if you're going to pay producers, or it could even be for music videos. It could be for shows. Again, the possibilities are endless. Target markets for musicians, I think this is actually very important. Knowing what your top markets are, and then starting to build essentially profiles or just gather information around the different cities. Who are the people that are the people of interest? Who are the influences there? Who's the local talent? Who are the DJs? Things of that nature. So that if and when you do go visit any of those cities, you have an idea of who to speak to and who to tap in. So that's the big message I'm trying to get across. Again, this is the first time that I'm making this a Notion product or template. So, and I'm giving out for free. I want any and as many people to be able to try it, give me feedback so that we continue to make this even better. The aim is, again, to take away time and frustration from these details that should have a central place for our career, and actually allow us to focus more on the part that what I think is the most important part, which is the actual creative process. Because the creative process is what gives us the outcome that can change our lives. It can be the song, it can be the project or the album. So this is in line with helping all of us accomplish that and continue to stay grounded. So anyone that tries out and downloads PocketManager, please do not hesitate to give me any sort of feedback. Hit me up in my DMs, email me, leave it in the comments down, and we can kind of get this dialogue going. So, and again, anyone that has seen my videos and is interested and would like to purchase more of this merch, any folks that are interested in the Dionomous merch, I will leave a link in the description for you to cop any, and I will see you guys in the next video. Peace. All right, everyone, welcome back. So today we have in front of us the PocketManager